Good morning, all. Welcome to today's market analysis. This is the today's levels you can see here. The Bank Nifty goes above this level 24,420. So with the stop loss of 24,220, we can buy it, and target would be 24,900. And vice versa, if fall below 24,220, then with the SL of 24,420, we can sell it, and target would be 23,770. In the Nifty also a very good range. This is the range you can see here. Market is capped up, right? Market already capped up, and you can see here the Nifty index, right? It is already up. This is 84 points. It's already up, so you can see it, right? And today's strategy, which we can do, that's this. This you can see a strangle. We can do a strangle today. So let's say it's a trade is been done. You can see here at 9:16 trade done, right? So let's check more trades. You can see here Nifty directional buy activated, two lots buy. Also the directional sale activated. You can see here put has been sold, right? In Bank Nifty, two call has been bought. Okay, and in directional sale also we can check here. Yes, it's activated now. So let's check these strategies, what happens, and you can paper trade on it. Also, you can real trade. So some position might be there. We just check it. You can check here. Somebody have taken this position. Right. So let's say minus market looking uh, one-sided, but we still do it because today's premium is very high, and I expect that premium must be reduced, right? Because today is Wednesday and there is high probability on Wednesday to get down. Also, there was yesterday there was news and premium was going higher. So if it is market going higher, there's no problem. We can get profit in triangle today, right? So just wait and watch. And also we can get profit in one-sided strategy. You can check here. We sold this call, sorry, put, and we are getting this, right? Also here also you can check we are getting 800 rupees, right? So that is market is still going one side, but the premium decay is much higher than the premium increase today, right? So we can get this. Let's see. Why it is profit till time in real trade. And if you activate all the strategies, now you can see here 5,600 would be the profit on total capital of 3.7 lakh rupees. But if you have a leverage account, then you can divide it by two. So on 1.5 lakh, you can do my all strategies, all five strategies in just 2 lakh rupees, right? So these are the strategies. Okay, so we'll see after 15 minutes. I'll show you the results. What is the stop loss figure and all. So let's check. And till time you can paper trade and real trade also. Okay, so let's see after 15 minutes. Okay, so now you can see here market has gone one-sided and call premium increased so high, right? So in strategy you can see the stop loss of here this triangle and scalping has been hit, minus 2400 loss booked. Also in scalping 2800 loss book, right? These two strategy, but as I told you to do three strategies minimum, two to three strategies. So in directional trade you can see here we are the directional 3.0, there is 5700 rupees profit is still running, right? And in directional buy 700 rupees, and in nifty also you can see 1900 rupees, right? And in bank nifty call option buy 4500, right? So this type of strategies we need to do. We don't know whether market is going up down, or when there is any sudden movement, we can't say anything. But if we deploy a strategy in such a way that if market consolidate, then also we can get some money, and if market is directional, then also we could get something, right? So that's the motto behind showing this, right? This is paper trade, and also you can see here stop loss is trigger in this, right? And market is still going one sided. So we have exited it in just 2400 loss, but in directional trade you can see how much money we can get, right? And this trade will go continue till the end, till 310, right? So on the loss of two strategies, you can see here still PNL is 10,000 rupees, right? So happy trading and bye bye.